How to propagate. In Leca, first we're going to chop before we prop. I want to experiment how long it will take for roots to grow. In Leca, I don't have much experience propagating. In Leca, this will be my second time try out Leca. Leca is a collection of baked clay balls that expand when you soak them in water. The water that's soaked up in the clay balls can be used to water plants. Leca doesn't contain any nutrients. Your plant will still need nutrients, so you'll need to add these nutrients to the water. Benefits of using Leca to grow your plants. It's easier to water your plants, less risk of root rot. The risks of getting pests are reduced. Will you be giving Leca a try?